being broke is a mindset. Don't ever believe that the lack of funds is the reason why you're not being successful. This is not true. The lack of belief is why you're not successful. Every single human being on this earth is a walking $1 million check. And our belief in ourselves, our grind, our true grit to wake up every single day and tell ourselves and tell the world that I will be something special is what separates you from everyone else. I learned that when I stopped being envious of people and stopped judging people and stopped being angry that I'm not on their level is when I truly started to elevate in my career. I told myself I will never take a dollar bill from another person. I will never sell my dream and my gift to anyone for any dollar amount. Don't you ever do that. And every morning you wake up and you look in the mirror, I want you to look in that mirror and I want you to tell yourself that I am special, I am great, and I am phenomenal. And nobody will stop me from reaching my goal. While they sleep, I must work. While they party, I must grind. While they procrastinate, I must go after my future with a relentless effort. We gotta make this decision in our lives today, kings and queens, that we will not be ordinary. We will be great. We will be kings. We will be royal forever. We're going to forget about the generational lack. We're going to forget about the people who left us. And we're going to focus on the people who loves us. We're going to focus on the people who believe in us. Because you have greatness inside of you. You have an everlasting potential. And as long as you have a heartbeat, as long as you have air in your lungs, you have an opportunity to change this world, change your life, and live your dream today. Let's become legendary. Let's not focus on who don't see anything in us. Let's focus on everything that does. Because that's what life is about. Remember, you are not broke. You are filthy rich. You were born rich.